Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about corporate governance. So starting with the meaning of corporate governance, what is corporate governance? Corporate governance is the system of rules, practices and process by which a firm is directed and controlled. Corporate governance essentially involves balancing the interests of company stakeholders, shareholders, senior management executives, customers, suppliers, financiers, the government and the community. The board of directors is the primary direct stakeholder influence corporate governance. Directors are elected by the shareholders or appointed by other board members, and they represent shareholders of the company. Corporate governance principles. Corporate governance is carried out in accordance with the company's corporate governance code and is based on the principles. I'll be discussing some of the corporate governance principles. First one is accountability. The code provides for accountability of company's board of directors to all shareholders in accordance with applicable law and provides guidance to board of directors in making decisions and monitoring the activities of the executive bodies. Secondly, fairness. The company undertakes to protect shareholders' rights and ensure equal treatment of shareholders. The board of directors shall give all shareholders the opportunity to obtain effective redress for violations of their rights. Thirdly, transparency. The company shall provide timely, accurate disclosure of information about all material facts relating to its activities, including its financial situation, social and environmental indicators, performance, ownership structure and governance of the company, and as well as free access to information for all stakeholders. And last but not the least, the company recognizes the rights of all interested parties permitted by applicable law and seeks to cooperate with such persons or companies for their own development and financial stability. Having discussed in brief about corporate governance, we now come to the advantages of corporate governance. Good corporate governance can turn a good company into a great one. The leaders in any industry are the helm of their respective industry mainly because of outstanding corporate practices. With corporate governance in place, the compliance with various laws is taken care of easily, as corporate governance includes the rules, regulations, and policies that enable a business to stay compliant throughout the function without any hassle or legal inconveniences. Since the legal compliance aspect is taken care of, credit to the corporate practices, companies are able to save a fortune on unnecessary fines and compliances and possibly redirect those funds towards business objectives to achieve greater heights. Since the legal compliance aspect is taken care of, companies are able to save fortune on unnecessary fines and compliances and possibly redirect those funds towards business objectives to achieve greater heights. Since there is a structure in place with regard to how entity operates, its day-to-day functioning, managing and activities, achieving targets becomes a lot easier. The work atmosphere also takes care of itself under the principle of corporate governance. Companies with good corporate governance are able to attract investors and external financiers with relative ease. One of the pillars of corporate governance is transparency, which is the practice of sharing key internal information with the stakeholders. This improves the relationship of the entity with its stakeholders and shows seeds of trust between the company and the society at large. The rules instilled in workplace encourage the employees to be morally conscious in every situation that they encounter, thus eliminating the possibility of fraud and conflict between employees. The audit committee is established with an aim of enhancing confidence in the integrity of an organization's processes and procedure, leading to internal control on corporate reporting, including financial reporting. The rules instilled in workplace encourage the employees to be morally conscious in every situation that they encounter, thus eliminating the possibility of fraud and conflict between the employees. Next, I'll tell you in brief about some of the major corporate failures. First one is Enron Corporation scam. Enron leadership fooled regulators with fake holdings and the book's accounting practices. Enron used special purpose vehicles or special purpose entities to hide its mountains of debt and toxic assets from investors and creditors. The price of Enron's shares went from $90.75 at its peak to $0.26 at its bankruptcy. The company paid its creditors more than $21.7 billion from 2004 to 2011. Next, I'll discuss about Nirav Modi scam. Nirav Modi exported rough stones from foreign countries worth crores of rupees. The employees at PNB Brady House branch fraudulently issued LOU for 365 days without making any provisions for collateral and bypassing core banking system. The Nirav Modi's three companies named Diamond R US, Solar Export and Stellar Diamond allegedly raised loan from Axis Bank, UCO Bank and Allahabad Bank by showing LOU. The firm also raised funds from Indian Bank Overseas branch for paying to its suppliers. Nirav Modi firm again requested the bank to issue another LOU, but the official refused on the ground that the company has to keep collateral with the bank. But Modi's firm argued that no such money was kept on margin for previous LOU. After that, PNB officials started scanning the records and didn't find any such transaction and then filed a complaint with CBI. Similarly, there have been many corporate failures due to non-compliance with the corporate governance, like Satyam Computer scam, Harshad Mehta scam, Kingfisher Airlines, Maxwell Communication Corporation and Mirror Group newspaper, WorldCom, Anderson Worldwide, etc. So this was all about corporate governance in this video. In case you need to know more about corporate governance, contact Rajput Jain and Associates. Moreover, you can also visit our website of Rajput Jain and Associates.